crochet this aesthetic Juda stick, you need green yarn, 0.5 mm hook size and a darning needle. Let's start by making this green part. We will need 3 of them in total. First one with 10 chains, second with 15 and the third with 20 chains. Start by making slip knot in chain 10. This will be our smallest part, and for the medium one we will make 15 chains and for the large one we will make 20 chains by following the same step. Here our 10 chains have been completed. Now cut the yarn. Now time to join all of them together. Join the 15 and 20 chain together. Pass your needle from the last chain of the tail again. Do it. Now from the behind, insert it in the first tail, pull it tighter. Now from the downward side, and now pull it tighter, and then you have just to tie it 2 to 3 times to secure it properly. Cut one side of the yarn. Now attach that smallest chain in that, the way I have taught you to attach, like this. It's kind of difficult for me to explain the process of attaching the yarn, so just see the way I am doing it. You can do it this way or either you can use your own way. Just watch it carefully and you'll know how to do it. Here it is. Now time to crochet these cute flowers. First create a magic ring. Chain 2 and work 2 double crochet into the magic ring. 1, 2. Again chain 2. Slip stitch into the magic ring. Repeat the same process one more time. That's chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2 and a slip stitch into the magic ring. At the end, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now pull the yarn to fill the gap between the petals. Your cute boy is ready. Now tie both the tails together 2 to 3 times to secure it properly. We will make total of 5 flowers using the same process. Now cut one tail. And in the other tail we will join the beads using the needle. Here our 5 flowers are ready. Now I'll add pink color in the center of the flowers to make it cuter. Time to paste the flowers on the green part. Use glue. This is the sequence. I will paste first one on the top, one in the bottom of all the 3's the green part, and last one in between the longest part. The final part is to attach our flower to the Juda stick. Grab the tail and rotate around the Juda stick 2 to 3 times. Now take the yarning needle and insert in between the green part, top green part, and pull it out from there. Pull it tighter. Now with the help of crochet hook, pull your tails between that round part to secure it properly. Now apply a generous amount of glue and hold it in place until it's secure. Here, our Juda Stick is ready. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.